Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how you can use the form group to make a nice UI for your input fields. That's what we're gonna do, and I will speak about how you can use the validation and how you can show the validation fields and how you can show the succeeds fields and how you can create a state function and how you can validate it. That's how we're gonna do for now, and I really hope you want to subscribe my channel, and I really hope you want to like it. And if you have any kind of questions, you can smash the comments down, and then I will try to answer them as fast as I can. And I appreciate you to have you here today to learn about the bootstrap-vue. Thank you, and let's go ahead. The first we've got to do is building the basic form, the form group, and then we are started. This is the group, and what we're gonna do now is adding the description, and let us know your name, and then we're gonna label and enter your name, and down here I want to add the B form input. Let's go into the browser and see how that's gonna do right now. And now you can see this is the label, what we have, enter your name, and this is a little bit information we have with the let us know your name, and this is the input field. Let's going back for the editor again, and now I think it's time to add some kind of validation of it, and I think that's will be a nice one. So let's just copy this and add one more down here, and I need to say the ID should be field set, and label for input 1, this will be input 2, and invalid feedback should be invalid feedback function, and then we need the valid feedback, and then we create a valid feedback function. Then we have a state, and we will add it with state, and then we're going for down below in the input here, and we say v model is equal to name. Whoops, and we need to state it's equal to state, and then we need to trim. The trim meaning if we have some kind of spaces in both ways, then this will be stripped away. We don't like it when we have a name, because then this will be a weird one. Then we're going down to the computed here. I will create a state, and we want to say this name, if it's bigger than 4 or equal to 4, then true, else false. And we need name here, and we need state, state is up here, so that doesn't need anything. I simplify it, and then we have it small, that's fine. And then we have invalid feedback, and then whoops, now we have the valid feedback, and what we're gonna do now is just say if this name length is more than 4, if it's more than 4 or equal to 4, yes, then we need to yes, in this way. We want to return nothing, else if this name length is bigger than 0, return enter at least 4 characters. That's mean when we're starting to press enter something, then it's change the text, and else we want to say please enter something. And then we're going back for valid. We say return this state is equal to true, state is true, thank you, else nothing. And I think that's it. So let's going back for the browser and test something here. Please enter something, and then we say PER, and we use this one and say thank you, and then you can see that's how you can work with invalid feedback. So we can change the information. So if you use the password, something like that, then you can validate you have uppercase, lowercase, special character, and whatever you want. But that's a very nice way to validate the input fields, and you can use it with the input form. And then we can I'll just take this and show you how the horizontal style will work. So let's copy this one and going down here, and what I want to do now is just say label calls small should be 4 and 4, and label calls LG should be 3, and I think that's it. So let's see how it's working here. You can see enter your name, and then we can style it up so the label up here can be on the left side, so you can do it in the more nice way. It depends on your design here, so it's the same and it's react on whatever we want here. That's a little bit about the bootstrap-vue and the form group. I really hope you enjoy and you understand what's happening here. Else, make a comment below, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button on the right corner below on the thing. And remember, everything I've done here will be on my GitHub, and the link to my GitHub profile and the source code will be in the description below. Thank you for the like, and thank you for the sharing, and of course thank you for subscribing. See you next time. Bye.